First proper lane at Billing Off-Road Show.
Yeah, take it nice and slow.
There we go.
Okay. Thanks.
Wow, that is really steep. Oh! Oh! It's about that steep.
Well done.
Wow, well done, Alex.
Right, what am I doing for this bit? Should I get it straight?
You've already got diff lock on, so I would do it
Check
like
this
last
out.
time and go
What,
forward
straight?
and then reverse.
Yeah.
Yeah, go forward and revert. Look how high that is. Look how steep. That is
So
ridiculous.
now go backwards a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch the,
Yeah, go there.
watch the
that'll
tree,
do,
which
that'll
is
do.
over there
Stop.
somewhere. We've got Tom in the back.
Yeah, straight on.
There you go. You eat it up here.
Give it some, give it some, give it some. There we go.
Woohoo!
That's it.
Oh, he's up too much.
That was good, to be fair. That was really good.
Am I actually going to make that?
Yeah, I think so.
You sure? Should I reverse
Nah,
it a
just
little bit?
reverse back a little bit, yeah, for what it'll take. Oh, there's a series coming up behind you as well.
Is there?
Go, yeah.
Oh.
That's it. There's no need to rush, you're alright, there's there.
Wait, should I
Fine.
clutch off? Yeah?
Yeah, you're okay.
You've got that tree.
First gear, no, you're
You're fine. Clutch off. Don't touch
I'm
anything.
not
Just.
touching it. Oh, holy.
That is amazing.
How'd you get this corner? These trees are tight, aren't they?
Very tight.
I'm watching like every corner.
Some big mud ruts coming up, right? Ooh.
This is quite a big drop here, so...
It's quite a big.
Should I have it in first?
Can't really see too much.
First or second?
You'll be
First.
okay.
First, yeah, be fine.
First.
Full send. I did have to reverse this one as well. We've got quite a big wall right next to us.
Okay.
Reverse this one.
Like that.
Yeah. Got a tree.
Is it gonna do it?
Go. That's it, there you go.
Floor it, Alex.
Go on the hard bit, is that?
The hard.
Just watch the
Put the
tree.
tree.
Oh, jeez.
That's really slippy. Holy, are you sure?
I don't know. I'm not driving.
I can't see it.
Yeah, you're okay. Yeah,
You
you're
sure?
okay. Yeah, go on.
Roof tent, no.
Well, I can see here, and you've got loads of room there.
Oh,
It's just
no.
there's a drop underneath me.
Just go forwards.
That's it, there you go.
Straight
You're okay.
forwards.
You're all good.
That's it.
All good.
Oh!
Alright, you're alright. We're way off the
Oh
departure.
my
angle there.
god, guys!
Oh my god.
The series is just doing what I've done.
All good.
Okay. Can I scream? No, I'm not
You can
joking.
scream if you want. There's a Land Rover going past down there.
So go.
Yeah.
Which angle is this?
This is a
Oh,
tour.
it's steep round
Right,
here.
You'll have to go backwards and forwards.
Yeah.
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 Go on, Lexi.
Well done.
Hey, look at this steep bit here.
I actually enjoy myself kind of.
You've done the hardest bits anyway.
Sorry guys. I feel like this isn't very smooth for you.
No.
Should I go in second?
Yeah, go in second down there. Bit of a hill.
Someone's got some fancy horn.
Someone's got like an air horn.
Second?
Yeah, second. Yeet it up the hill.
Yes.
This is where that really steep drop is, so probably
yeah.
want to be first.
Super steep right here.
And if I can get out of the window too.
Please be careful.
I won't drop it.
Drew, please be careful. Oh my god. I'll show you the angle here. That's about straight on the camera.
Okay. We just let it do its own thing. Yeah?
Well done.
Bearing in mind that's higher than the car by a long shot.
The steep drop really,
oh
really
my
steep.
god!
Let's go really slow again.
Yeah. Whoa.
What are we doing next? Can I go second? I think it'll be alright.
Watch that, yeah. Watch the trees.
Is this steep here? I can't see what I'm doing, guys.
Not too bad. Just keep going around. We're all good.
Yeah, get a second.
Okay.
Right, Steve.
This is good fun. Tom, you should have a go.
I am absolutely fine at the back.
You can drive mine. You can give it a go. Huh?
I'm okay, thank you.
Here's film crew.
Yeah.
Film crew.
We're coming back over that mound over there.
Oh, we've got the mud to do as well, yeah, don't we?
Yeah. Wobbly. Oh, Jesus.
Maybe we have to get it up
Yeah,
down.
go on. Go on, power.
Not too fast though. This is
The
amusing.
marshal's literally like,
It was a yeety moment.
It was.
yeet it over.
Yeet it round. Here we go. Round the corner.
This
Range
is a
Rover.
steep drop.
Is this the steep drop?
Yeah, there's a steep drop.
Oh yeah, there's a sign. The sign actually had like a
This
downwards.
is the steep one, isn't it?
Oh, you can't.
Yeah, there's a bit of a drop there.
Okay.
First gear. That's it. Oh! Oh! Angle! Oh! Right. Oh my god! Up again. There's a cameraman. Yay!
Oh wow. That's what these cars for, isn't it?
This is amazing.
So they keep saying.
Giving you actual heart attacks. Is that Steve? Well, that's just another D3. Should I first stay here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa!
trying to slow it down to like.
No,
do
it's
that.
steep. Right here. Angles like.
Yeah,
See
I
the
can
floor.
feel that.
Window's not even open. I can see the floor.
Oh, windows up, right?
Oh. Yeah, windows up. There you go.
Am I eating this?
No, actually no.
No,
it was pretty
don't.
hardcore last time.
Yeah.
I'd go like third or something and just crawl through.
Third.
Yeah.
So, oh, I just seconded it now.
Yeah, second or third. Just don't go too fast.
Is that in?
All the water's gone.
Guys.
Is it in?
Is it in? Guys, is it in?
Pretty rough here.
Did you make this corner?
I didn't,
Yeah, yeah.
but you might.
Yeah.
Did you think?
No. You're okay? No. It's a big old truck, that one.
Really hard to gauge. Now I would definitely be at like first. She don't need any traction. Spin them wheels.
That is Doug, isn't it? Those ruts.
Got any eggs back here?
Not got any eggs back here.
Don't be
It's
smashed.
alright guys, we're not in a 2CV. No eggs on the farm. That series is still following me around. He's still like loving life.
He'd probably do this at like 30 miles an hour to be fair.
Yeah.
Quite a capable rig that one.
Whoa.
This is feeling slippy.
Quite slippery.
I'm bursting that.
Hello, Defender. Oh.
Winter again now. Yeah. Just like, you know. How have I not hit my car?
I'd maybe have a
Touch wood.
little bit
First
of
gear.
power up here.
First gear. Or second. Go on, keep going. Go on.
Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on.
Up and round.
Get in there! Send it
Oh my god.
back
Did
end
not
down.
expect that, guys, didn't I?
Alex is drifting an off-road course.
Sick.
Get that girl a Supra. You having fun?
Yeah. I really think we should drive next.
We haven't got another pass, have we?
Is that us?
That's it.
That's it, yeah.
Oh my god.
That's it. Hello, defenders. One wife livid.
One wife livid. Right. Let's take it out of the...
Yeah, that's it. Just straight towards you, down. Yeah.
I don't know, I
I
know.
think that's good. Yeah, that's it.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Beautiful.
Nice. Oh.
How was that then, Alex?
Yeah, I was there. That was good.
Cool. Back on like some sort of civilised road.
Some
On
sort
a
of
farm.
civilised road.
How was that, Tom?
Absolutely fantastic.
Thrown about, and oh my god.
The mud is literally flying off the car right
There's
now.
literally mud flinging up
Oh
onto
my
the
God.
windows.
That was great. I drove that, guys.
Yeah,
I
boy.
did have a heart attack.
Yeah,
We're
it
all
was pretty
still
good.
alive. Didn't roll it.
Didn't roll it, didn't hit a
No
tree.
damage.
No damage.
You actually were less likely to hit a tree on your run because
I
I've
was
just
gonna
done the
say,
run.
yeah.
And I was very close, but we didn't have diff lock in, so I'm blaming that. It didn't get up the hill, so it started sliding back down towards the tree. So I got it stopped just in time. But, yeah. Oh, Alex is doing some Tokyo
Trying to get the
drifting.
mud off. Trying to get the mud off.
Through a series behind.
Yeah. Some Land Rovers here.
What's this boy doing? Don't you step out, mate.
Anyway, that was fun, and see you on the next track.